Ready? Hi, my name is Tina Conkin. I want to welcome you to Reality Boot Camp for Moms. This show is about relationships. This show is going to be about you as a mom, as a wife, as a friend. I want to invite you to come on no matter what. Where you're at, where your relationship's at, where you're at with your kids. Maybe you think you're the best mom or not so great, but you're going to get a lot of tools on this show. You're going to learn how to live above the line. Now, to learn what a living above the line is, you're going to have to tune in. There are times, it's a boot camp, you can tell by my studio, there are times I'm going to try to take you out. But you know what? When you learn how to live above the line, nobody can take you out. This is Tina Conkin. Tune in every Tuesday at 12:30 starting August 25th on momtv.com. I'll see you there.